Hey guys, here's how to make quesadilla. If you microwave it, it should look like this. But this thing should be poking up like that, I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't know how to explain it. If you push it down like that, then it shouldn't. But that's what I did, so. Okay, let me show you. For this, you'll need this brand tortillas, 8 flour tortillas, Old El Paso, and you'll also need this Kraft natural cheese, mild cheddar, shredded cheddar cheese. Years 100 quality. 1 pound bag, okay? And all you need to do is put it in a microwave on these plates right here. Sorry about that. This room's very dark. I've got to turn on the light. Okay, so you'll need these plates right here. And then what you'll need is to put the microwave. Nope. 1 minute. Okay, you need to put it on 1 minute. Do not put it on this. If you put it, do not do it. Put it on this right here. And press this button. Not doing that because I don't have anything in the microwave. Okay, now for the taste test.
I like the part when he says the sauce.
I like the part where he says the sauce.
Yeah, watch what SpongeBob does. Watch it. When I used to watch Beavis in my head, they made a face just like that.
It's always smack. I can't help it. It's so good. Ooh. All I can say is it's delicious. Look at that cheese. The cheese turned out like that.